And I got the new vertical compass up. It's backlit, looks real nice. I got the pair of U avionics. Inside each bezel here on the outboard 6-pack are lights. And I have that control with a little switch down here. I'll show you that. And those go off and then back on. That's what it looks like. That also controls the vertical compass light. And then I have my post lights up here, and I have a rheostat. There's the rheostat, in and out. Looks good. And then for the VOR needles, they're backlit as well as the back panel on the KMA 20 and the KLN 89B. Everything else is set to auto, and I think including the KX 155s and the U avionics I know are set to auto. So I'm pretty pleased with the lighting so far. And here on the U avionics I can switch through the different menus. That's the DG mode. And then there's the backup attitude indicator. There's the second one. And notice the DG just kind of swings around on the top ADI. And then you got the backup. So you really have two backup attitude indicators. There's the first one. The way I have this one set up on this menu 1, you can do whatever you want, but on page 1 I put OAT and I get a density altitude to rear speed, of course. Number 2, if I want to use altitude pre-select, I can set it up right here. And the way you do that is you just go right here and select your altitude and just hit 3 times. Say I want to set 3,000 feet. There you go, I just push it again. First button is for baro, second button is for heading bug, third button is for altitude. Second page on this one, actually 3 of 3, just vertical speed. And then I have my vertical speed trend indicator and vertical speed. I may pull out this vertical speed indicator because I really don't need it. It's not required for IFR. I have one here. If I need it, I have it. Down here, I don't have OAT set to the bottom DG. I do not have that set. Right now I'm in the hangar. I have no GPS. Right now it's set to GPS track. And then another menu, that's more or less the DG. So if you don't have a GPS connection, that's what you'll see. I like using the VOR needles right here. It actually serves as an HSI. And then the third one is the map. It's not showing map right now, but it is a map. So there you go, fuel flow. I may pull this out and put a Insight G2 engine monitor, and I'll still have my fuel counter. That'll be good. GDL 50 is probably going to go in the glove box at some point. I don't have a glove box, but I'll pull out the transponder and the ADF. I'll turn this on real quick. And you know what? There's no backlight on the ADF. You can hear a little bit of buzz. Turn that back off. Probably pull out the clock. You can see some of the luminescence has fell into the bottom of the screen. Get that repaired. Everything else works just great. 1948. I do have the alternator STC on this airplane.